All right, so as I've been talking about all week, it's harder to find opportunities in an up market because all of the value gets sucked up and pulls up all the stocks. There is a few opportunities out there. So JD is down 3.4%, and they think they're going to beat their second quarter earnings, but they don't fully think they're going to beat them by a lot. So it's one of those things where they're going to beat them, but they're not going to beat them as much as the street thinks. And so right now, then it's trading down. And this was mostly pre market. And then it hit this 38. But here's the thing is I have $36 shares out there and with a $36 covered call, and it is Friday, and this is trading at 38. So this is what I'm gonna do. This expires today. There's still premium at 38 for $27. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a buy order. I'm gonna put a buy order for JD buy at 38. And when that triggers, I'm going to grab that premium for that covered call on the pop up. So it's going to dip down again into that 38 level, and then it's going to go ahead and do a little bit of a rally. Because this is going to be a volatile name. There's going to be buyers and sellers coming in and out of this. So I'm pretty confident it'll drop below this level again, and then it'll pop right back up. That's what I'm thinking. Now the other one, I mean, JD is still a consensus buy, a consensus strong buy. Here's another one that got whacked. Is it was trading at 36 all day yesterday, and then this pre-market it got downgraded by UBS, and it's still a strong consensus buy. I don't know why UBS. Um, I'm gonna have to go in and read the report, but it's retesting this 34, and if I remember correctly, this 34 is a decent level. It acted as a support over here, and then over here it acted as a resistance. No, a resistance over here and a support over here. So I'm gonna put in this one's a little more of a long shot because it's still 20 cents away. And the problem with this one is it doesn't trade in 50-cent increments. So this one's a little more of a long shot. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with JD. Is I'm gonna put in buy orders at the strike that I want, and hope they trigger. Actually, yesterday, no, Wednesday, I did the same thing with two stocks, Pfizer and I forgot the other one. But I got triggered on both of those, and then I sold covered calls the next day. So I'm pretty confident I'm reading these correctly and that they're going to come back into these levels and I'm going to get the fill. But like I said, these are two opportunities that they are really hard to find in a booming market. And like I said, this market is no joke. We're gonna retake all time highs, and because we're well above the 4,500 now. We went above it yesterday, and we just didn't stop. So that's a good sign right there that there was no pullback or resistance right here, and it just kept on moving. So yeah, you just got to keep grinding, keep finding those opportunities.